Time to do my motherfucking nails. Okay, bitch, it is like 3 a.m. I am starting really fucking late. I just have no words. I'm just starting late. Here's the inspo again. I'm gonna do the same one. I am painting them right now and I want to finish by 5 a.m. because I have to wake up like really early. I have like an event at 11. This is like 2 coats, but you can still see the form underneath. Should I do like 3 coats? It's kind of getting a little thick. I am going to do a 3rd coat and maybe that will help it. It is like 3:30 a.m. right now. I added 3 coats. It looks a lot better. I think I'm gonna file down like the sides because it did get like a little bulky. I decided they were a little too bulky and I'm gonna file them down. I don't think I'm gonna finish before my event tomorrow at 11. Oh my god. I only redid the middle finger because I want to test it out. So let's see if it looks better. It's like 10 a.m. the next morning. I literally went to fucking bed, bitch. I'm gonna start over later on. I'm gonna go to my event and come back and then do my nails again. It's 11:55 the next day. I'm gonna restart all over. And I think that this like milky white is just a little too clear. I'm gonna add some regular white to it. It's 12:10 a.m. I'm gonna start painting again. I'm hoping this color is gonna look less opaque or translucent. Okay, let's see. Oh, that looks so much better. Look, this is with 2 coats and it looks so much better. Tell me this does not look way better. Okay, bitch, it's 12:40 a.m. I'm gonna start doing the designs now. I think the middle finger is the only one with the French tip, but I don't think this blue matches the blue from the picture. What if I added white to this royal ass blue? Okay, let's see if it's the right color. Is this cute? I don't think I have the same blues, but this is where we're at. It's 1:27 a.m. My goal now is to finish probably by like 3 a.m. It's 2 a.m. I have 3 fingers done. They look so cute. I'm done. Let me put on top coat and show you. These turned out so cute. Okay, it is 2:43 a.m. We're not gonna talk about how long these took me, but this is so freaking cute.